Dear learners, previous video we discussed about random variables and its probability distribution. Right. This video we are going to discuss about mean of a random variable, variance of a random variable and standard deviation of a random variable. Mean of a random variable, let us see. Let x be a random variable whose possible values are x1, x2 on xn occurs with probabilities p1, p2 and so on pn respectively. Already we discussed last videos. Using this, we are going to find mean of a random variable. Okay, mean of a random variable will be denoted by mu or summation of I equal to 1 to n xi pi or expectation of x. Okay, it is weighted average of the possible values of x, each value being weighted by its probability. Being weighted by its probability. So expectation of x is equal to mu is equal to summation of or sigma I equal to 1 to n xi pa. Xi. So x1 p1 to be multiplied plus x2 p2 to be multiplied plus and so on xn pn. Okay, whatever x we are choosing, particular x, particular probability will get. The both probability summation and add. So in other words, the mean or expectation of random variable x is the sum of the products of all possible values of x. That is the meaning. Okay, the respective probabilities. Got it? Let's see an example to understand more. Let a pair of die be thrown and the random variable x be the sum of the numbers that appear on the two die. Find the mean or expectation of x. So two dice are thrown. We have to see the sum of the numbers. So here sample space will be 36 because it consists of 36 elementary events. Let xi be yi be two dice values. So xi will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Xi will be first die. Yi be a second die. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. The sum we have to see. The sum, minimum sum will be 2. Maximum sum will be 12. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Only these are the values x will occur. Random variable x will have, these are the values. Minimum value will be 2. Maximum will be 12. 2 how will occur? 1 1. First die also have 1, second die also have 1. So probability of x is equal to 2 is equal to 1 by 36. Probability of x is equal to 3 is equal to 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1. Possibility, 2 possibilities. So 2 by 36. Probability x is equal to 4 equal to 3 possibilities. So 3 by 36. The same way, probability of x is equal to 5. Think about x is equal to 5 means 1 4, 2 3, 3 2, 4 1. So 4 possibilities. So 4 by 36. Probability of x is equal to 6. 5 possibilities. So 5 by 36. Probability of x is equal to 7. Yeah, 6 possibilities. 6 by 36. Probability of x is equal to 8. How many possibilities will be there? Think about 1 is not possible. So 2 6 will start 2 6. 2 6 3 5. So 5 possibilities. So 5 by 36. Probability of x is equal to 9. 4 possibilities. So 4 by 36. Probability of x is equal to 10. 3 possibilities. So 3 by 36. Probability of x is equal to 11. 2 possibilities. So 2 by 36. Probability x is equal to 12. There is only one possibility. That is 6 6. That only 12. So probability x is equal to 12 equal to 1 by 36. So when x is 2, probability is 1 by 36. When x is 3, probability is 2 by 36. We can make a tabular column like this. Then let us use mean formula. Expectation of x is equal to mu is equal to, what is the formula? Summation of I equal to 1 to n xi pi. X is 1. X1 is what? 2. X first one value we consider 2. So 2 into 1 by 6. Then x is 3 means probability is 2. 2 by 36. So 2 into 1 by 36 plus 3 into 2 by 36 and so on. We have to multiply all the value of x with respect to probability. Then add all. What do we get? Numerator add all and denominator is common value 36. When you simplify, you will get 7. So 7 is the mean of the sum of the numbers that appear on throwing two fair dice. Okay, hope you got it. Let's see now variance of a random variable. All three things whatever we studied we are going to use. Random variable, according to random variable their probability, according to both what expectation we are getting, that is mean of x. All three we use for variance of a random variable. The formula is sigma x square is equal to variance of x is equal to expectation of x square. Expectation of x square minus expectation of x the whole square. Here expectation of x square is summation of I equal to 1 to n xi square times pxi. Okay. If you remember, the formula is enough. Standard deviation already we studied 11th standard. Standard deviation of a random variable is equal to sigma s is equal to square root of variance of x. Variance of x, whatever value you get, that value you square root it. That will be the value of standard deviation. That's all. Let us see an example. Find the variance of the number obtained on a throw of an unbiased die. Unbiased die. So only one throw, one die. So sample space will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? Yeah. And then we are going to choose a variable. So variable also x. Variable, what we'll get? Among 6, we are going to get one value. Right? So variable also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whatever variable, random variable chosen, that also take values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so probability of p equal to 1, p equal to 2, p all will be same, 1 by 6. When you make a tabular column, we'll get like this. So expectation of x will be 1 into 1 by 6 plus 2 into 1 by 6 plus 3 into 1 by 6 and so on. We'll get answer 21 by 6, right? Expectation of x or mean of the random variable x. Then what we have to find out? Expectation of x square. Expectation of x square. So x, you have to square it, then multiply with the probability. So 1 square into 1 by 6 plus 2 square into 1 by 6 plus 3 square into 1 by 6 up to 6 square into 1 by 6. When you simplify this, you will get 91 by 6. According to the variance of x, expectation of x square minus c of x the whole square. Apply the value, you will get the answer. Hope you got it. How to find variance of a random variable. Okay. Based on that, try this sum. Do it yourself. Hope you understood very well. For more videos, subscribe this channel. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.